In this video, we're going to find the area of the region bounded by the graphs of the parabola y equals to 2x squared, the line y equals minus 4x plus 6, and the x-axis. So first, we're going to have to draw a rough sketch of this region. That will greatly help us in finding the area. Y equals to 2x squared looks like y equals x squared. It's a parabola that opens up whose vertex is at the origin. Y equals minus 4x plus 6 is a line, so we're going to need 2 points. Plug in 0 for x, we get y equals 6. This is the y-intercept right here. Now plug in 0 for y. That gives us 4x equals 6, x equals to 3/2. This is the x-intercept of the line. All we need is the part of the line in the first quadrant. That determines our region. Our region has to have borders that are the 3 functions outlined in the beginning of the problem. This is the parabola, 2x squared. This is the line minus 4x plus 6. And the third portion of the border, the third part of the border, is the x-axis, which is right here. So to find the area of this region, we're going to need 2 integrals if we integrate with respect to x. That would be the left part of the region and the area of the right part. We're going to need to find the x-coordinate of the point of intersection. Set 2x squared equal to the line minus 4x plus 6. Move everything to the left. 2x squared plus 4x minus 6 equals 0. Divide by 2. X squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Factor x plus 3 times x minus 1 equals 0. X equals to 1 or minus 3. Now the parabola and the line intersect again in the second quadrant. The x-coordinate of the point of intersection there is minus 3. It plays no role in the region, so we just need x equals 1 in the first quadrant. Now, the area of the region is the sum of 2 integrals. The first one is from 0 to 1 under the parabola 2x squared dx. The second one is from 1 to 3/2 under the line minus 4x plus 6. Now we can find the second part. It's a triangle, so we could use the formula for the area of triangle, 1/2 base times the height. You could do that if you like, but we can just integrate. This is equal to 2/3 x cubed evaluated from 0 to 1 plus minus 2x squared plus 6x evaluated from 1 to 3/2. So let's see what we get. We get 2/3 from the first integral. From the second, when plugging in 3/2, that's minus 9 over 2 plus 9, then minus 2 plus 6. So this is 2/3 plus 9/2 minus 4. The common denominator is 6. So we have 4 over 6 plus 27 over 6 minus 24 over 6. So 4 and 27 is 31 minus 24. That's 7 over 6, and that's the answer. 7 over 6 square units. We can also find this area by integrating with respect to y. I'm going to redraw my region again. So here is the region, just the parabola part and the line part. The x-coordinate here is 1. We plug it into either the line or parabola. The y-coordinate will be 2. Let's take the parabola and solve it for x. X squared equals to 1/2. Y, x equals to 1 over square root of 2 times the square root of y. The reason we take positive square root because we're in the first quadrant. So the left portion of this is x equals to 1 over square root of 2 times the square root of y. Now y equals to minus 4x plus 6 gives us 4x equals minus y plus 6 dividing by 4. X equals to minus 1 over 4 y plus 6 over 4, which is 3/2. This part, the right part, x equals to minus 1/4 y plus 3/2. So the area of this region, when integrated with respect to y, is the integral from 0 to 2, the right portion minus 1/4 y plus 3/2 minus the portion on the left, that's 1 divided by the square root of 2 times the square root of y dy. And the reason for that is because we always enter the parabola through, we enter the region through the parabola on the left and always exit the parabola through the line on the right. So it's exit minus enter integrated with respect to y. Okay, let's integrate this and finish the problem. See that we get 7/6 that we got in the earlier part. The integral of minus 1/4 y is minus 1/8 y squared plus 3/2 y minus 1 over square root of 2, and the integral of square root of y is 2/3 y to the 3/2, evaluated at 0 and 2. So let's plug 2 in. We get 4/8 with a minus in front, that's minus 1/2, plus 3, and then plugging in 2 into y to the 3/2, we get minus 1 over square root of 2 times 2/3 times 2 to the 3/2. Now 2 to the 3/2 divided by square root of y is just 2. So this is minus 1/2 plus 3, and then 2 times 2/3, that's minus 4/3. The common denominator is also 6. This is minus 3/6 plus 18/6 minus 8/6. Minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11, plus 18, that's positive 7/6, exactly the same answer that we got before. For more calculus videos, go to www.mathprepvideos.com.